Welcome to my YouTube channel with Al, and in today's video we're going to be talking about instructions on how to use the alligator pepper. Okay, so so most of us don't really understand how to use alligator pepper. All we just know is that we just go to the market and get the alligator pepper without actually knowing the instructions on how to use it for spiritual work. Okay, so now um I'll be telling you how you can use it so that you'll be properly guided, that you use it and it gives you the right kind of results. Okay, that it gives you the right kind of result, because result is what we want. You don't just want to just do things just for doing sake without actually getting those results. Okay, so now um okay, you have to click on the subscribe button. Okay, so if you're watching this content right now, please subscribe on the YouTube channel and also like our content, so that anytime, and also click on the bell icon. Okay, so anytime we get out content like this, that you'll always be notified and partake of them. Okay, so now let's go into the instructions on how to use alligator pepper. Okay, so first of all, you need to um, you go to the market and you get an alligator pepper. Okay, and the next thing you should know is that um, you need to get the local alligator pepper, not the agric one. Okay, the agric ones are more bigger. They're more bigger. They have a more shiny color, or more brownish or light brownish color, and the seeds are more red and the seeds are more bigger. Okay, so you need to get the local one. The local one is not like any alligator pepper is better than each, but when you use the local one, because it is more original, it is more rooted, and it has not been mixed. Okay, so it has more ability, okay, than the other one. So that is the first instruction. So the second instruction is, now you want to use it. You've gotten the right alligator pepper. Now you want to use it. So what you do is you would have to open the alligator pepper. So now, in some traditions, most people believe that the alligator pepper is a spirit. Okay, so now you need to honor the spirits. Okay, so like in the Igbo culture or in the Yoruba culture, the the wear masquerade, like in the Igbo culture, it's called the mo. So actually, you don't actually see the person wearing the masquerade. So it's being considered a spirit. Okay, so now you need to apply such principles to opening your alligator pepper. Okay, so you need to make your intentions known by not actually using your physical eyes. Okay, that is honoring the spirits. All right, that is honoring the spirits. By doing that, you honor the spirits, and you make your intention. Okay, you concrete your intentions in making the alligator pepper more spiritual and more powerful. Okay, by opening it, putting it in your bag. All right, and trying to open it with your two hands. Okay, I have my one of my hand on my phone. I'll try and get a tripod where I can drop my phone and make videos, so I can explain with my hands. So um, so you try and open it with your hands, from your back. Okay, so you're not actually um, opening it at the front, looking at it and opening it. So it's not a respect. You're not respecting it. So a lot of YouTubers don't actually understand the spiritual dynamics that goes with opening the alligator pepper. So you're hearing this for the first time. It is for honoring the spirits. Okay, it is for honoring the spirits and to make your intention more concrete. You should also know that everything you do in life, it's about your intentions. When it comes to spiritual things, it's all about your intentions. Once you've made your intentions in faith, then you put whatever you're doing into work. Okay, so once you open it from your bag, you put your alligator pepper on the bag and try to open it. When you bust it open, or you open it, all right, then you can now use your alligator pepper for whatever uh, spiritual task you have to use it for. And also, gives, that's number two. That is how you should open it. So the third one on how to um, the instructions on how to use the alligator pepper. The third one is you should know how to preserve it. Okay, you should know how to preserve it. Okay, so you don't just keep it lying around. Okay, you don't keep it just lying around. You need to keep it on top of something. All right. So if you have a water stone is, for Nigerians, we know other stones that we use to scrub our legs, like in on the toilet. The local um, water stone. All right. So you get a water stone, you keep your alligator pepper on top of it, or you store it in a container. Okay, you need to once you've opened your alligator pepper, you can get a container, maybe a bottled water container, that has a seal, that has cover or cork on top of it. Okay, so now you put your alligator pepper inside the container. Okay, so then you seal it. Okay, so what you've done is that once you seal it, you've preserved the alligator pepper, and you've actually dedicated it. Okay, so that's what you've done. You've dedicated that alligator pepper for your spiritual purpose. Okay, so those are the three instructions that you need to know when you want to use your alligator pepper. So you can use it to do whatever thing you want to use it for. Okay, so you can use it to do whatever thing you want to use it for. You can use it for your prayers. You can use it to get favor. You can use it so whatever you want to use it for, you can begin to use it. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe on this channel on Truthspiration. Okay, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified when I create great and amazing content like this. All right, and also like this content. All right, so that we can get that social proof to let people know that what we're doing here is important. Okay, so peace and stay safe and answers. Bye.